morning, sunlight through the blinds. Grandma's cooking, love in every line. Cinnamon laughter fill the air. Every memory takes me back to there. Grandma's kitchen, warm and true. Every recipe reminds me of you. Stirring stories, flavors never fade. Grandma's kitchen is the song she made. Table set with hands that know the way. Every prayer she whispers starts the day. Biscuit dough and coffee on the stove. Every bite's a piece of endless love. Grandma's kitchen